Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now today topic is VB range selection. Means how to select a particular range. If you want to select manually, suppose if you want to select range A7, then we have to go through like that this is A7, right? So if we are going to highlight this one, then this is A7. If you want to select the range I1, then this is I1, right? This is the I1 that we have selected. If you want to select a range between A to M, suppose A1 to M1, then this is the range between A to M1, which I have copied and highlighted in there. So this is the basic range selection. So we will know now how to do the same thing with the VBA coding, right? So suppose if we have this suppose if we are going to delete the existing color, then this has been deleted. Now we are going to debug, right? In execution mode we will check one step by step. Let's see. Suppose if we are going to select A2, now after execution A2 has been selected, right? It has been selected. Now we are going to highlight this one with the color. So now the color has been changed, right? Now if you want to select B2, then range B2 dot select, means B2 will be get selected, right? So after this, now B2 has been selected, the interior color has been changed, right? After that, if you want to select C2, then this is our C2. That now after execution of the line programming, it will be get selected, right? Now it has been selected. Now color has been changed, right? After that D2 has been selected, right? After that, if you want to change the color, now after that we have used the color index over here. If you want to use any color indexing, then it is from 1 to 56, right? Till 56 we can use any color, right? So if suppose here is 56, then the color will be according to the indexing, right? So now after that if we want to change the color over here, like we have taken here 56, as you can see, earlier it was 6, now it was 56, right? If we want to execute this line again, the color will be get changed, right? Just see, A2 color has been changed. So you can easily understand here that color indexing is between 1 to 56. You can take any color index over here, right? So if we will execute this line, now the A2 color will be automatically changed, right? Here A2 color will be automatically changed after selection, right? So now that color has been black, right? Now again range, we are going to select multiple cells through ranging E2 to D11. What will be here? If we will check manually over here, E2 to D11. E2, here is our E2 to D11, right? D11 it will be, right? This I am going to highlight D2 to D11, E2 to D11, right? So suppose if after execution of this line, what will we say? Now it has been selected, which I have highlighted over here, right? Now the color indexing is 26. It will be automatically changed to current as per the color indexing. Now it has been changed, right? After that we are selecting D17 to F11. Now it has been selected, the color has been changed, right? This the color, highlighting the color means we have selected this only for this thing we have used over here color indexing. Now the range will be selected A10, right? So if suppose if you want to select this table, so what will be the range J4 to M, last what will be the M9 J. So if we want to write the over here code range G4 to M9, right? Dot select. Now the selection color selection dot interior dot color color index will be 3, right? So now it has been 3. So suppose if you want to execute this line, as we have already executed till here, now if you want to execute this one, now go to step info. Now we are down our cursor, compiled into J4 to M9. Where is your J4? J4 to M9. Now this table will be get selected, right? Now this has been selected. As you can see, this has been selected. We want to change the color, that it will definitely change, right? Let's see. Now the color of table has been changed, right? So this is all about in this video we have learned the selection of range, right? Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.